Hi there, my name is Ashley Hubbard, diet and weight loss coach, and in today's video I will teach you lockdown diet plan for weight loss. So if you are trying to lose some weight during this lockdown, please do stick around and watch this video fully from beginning to end because I promise to help you get healthier. And to achieve that goal, I will give you some practical advice that I have in this video. Now, before I get started, a very warm welcome to this lockdown diet plan for weight loss video presentation. My name is Ashley Hubbard. That is me there in the centre of the screen. I've been helping people to lose weight and get healthier for a number of years now, and I do that by always giving you valuable tips and advice that you can't find anywhere else. On that basis, please make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button below the video, because I don't want you to miss out on any of the tutorial videos that I upload. Please also make sure you give the video a like because that tells me you enjoy the content and I will therefore spend more time creating it for you. Let's now get into the tutorial. To help you lose weight at home during lockdown, I recommend that you try to cut back on salt and eat less salty foods in your diet. I recommend that you reduce the amount of salt because an excess intake of salt is linked to water retention or weight. Therefore, it is best to take only the required amount. I also recommend you try to have most meals before 7 or 8 p.m. If you eat most of your food hours before you sleep, your body is able to digest it better. Having good digestion is key for healthy weight management and weight loss. My advice to you is to try and stick to a balanced diet. I recommend that you include all the essential macronutrients and micronutrients in your diet. Good carbs, good fats and good quality protein are crucial to keep us healthy. So my advice to you is to stock your fridge with foods that contain the right nutrients that you need in your diet. My next advice to you is to cut down on refined carbs and sugary foods. It is important to distinguish between good quality carbs and bad carbs. Refined foods like white breads, refined cereals and pasta, and sugary goods like cookies, donuts and cakes are not the kind of carbs that will help you lose weight, so I don't recommend that you eat too many of these foods. I would also recommend that you include more whole wheat products and foods with complex carbs and fibre. Complex carbs do not get digested too soon and help keep cravings at bay. To lose weight, you will need to stay hydrated. At times, your body intermixes signals of thirst and hunger. I recommend to drink plenty of water, which helps you keep away from unhealthy snacking and is also good for digestion, healthy kidneys and skin. If plain water does bore you, you can try herbal tea and infused water as well. Can I please just take a moment and ask you something quick? Is this all making sense to you? Please let me know in the comments below. I would highly recommend that you include as many seasonal fruits and vegetables as possible. My advice to you is to make it a habit to have at least 2 or 3 fruits every day. Seasonal fruits come with a range of healthy antioxidants. Most of these fruits and vegetables are also enriched with fibre that promotes weight loss. Please don't forget the nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a treasure of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. I recommend that you eat some of these foods in your diets as snacks. Some of these nuts include almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds. They are all particularly beneficial for weight loss, so my advice is to snack on nuts during the day. My next advice to you is to divide large meals into smaller meals. It is a good idea to split your large meals into multiple small meals. This helps you watch calories and is also good for your metabolism. I would also recommend that you cut back on processed food, ready-to-eat mixes, and tinned cans. All of these foods are mostly filled with fats that do no good to your body, so please keep that in mind. It is also a good idea to avoid trans fats from junk food and fast food. My advice is to start your day with a hearty breakfast. In addition to refueling you, breakfast keeps you full until around lunchtime, which prevents you from eating too much during afternoon and grabbing an oily snack in between. A good breakfast may also do wonders for your metabolism, so this will help you burn extra calories and promote weight loss. I'm curious to know, did this video help you? Are you going to use any of the advice that I have given you today? Let me know in the comments below. Now, if you want a complete program to help you lose weight, I have a program that I highly recommend you have a look at. Click the link below the video and you'll be taken to a website. You can find the website link at the bottom of your screen now. On the website, you can get the Keto Diet for weight loss within minutes from now. This program has literally helped hundreds of people get better results, and I would like you to get yourself on this program so that you can put yourself in a stronger and better position to help you get the results that you want. So it's definitely worth you taking the time to check it out. You can find out more about this program by clicking the link in the description box below this video. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below this video. Can you please share this video with anyone you know who may find it helpful? Please connect with me on Facebook. You can find the Facebook link in the description below the video. Please do give the video a like, because if I see people liking the videos, I will create more for you. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best for losing weight in lockdown. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.